Today I'll be making a banana peel hair oil to help encourage hair growth, fight hair loss, and fight inflammation in the skin and scalp. We'll be also making a banana face mask to help with premature aging, wrinkles, blemishes, and reduce inflammation from eczema and psoriasis. So let's get into it. So today we'll be using the banana peels of 3 bananas. As we learned last week that banana peels actually are rich in potassium, silica, magnesium, manganese, as well as copper, which are key essential nutrients for hair growth, as well as they contain antifungal properties that help to rid the scalp of dandruff. Now, once you have the peels from the banana, make sure you save the bananas. Go ahead and chop these up into smaller pieces. Feel free to mash them a bit and then add them to a bowl. Now, I felt making this oil would be very beneficial to use regularly to help seal or lock in that moisture, as well as get some of these benefits. Now I'm going to be using a sweet almond oil for the oil because this oil is light and can penetrate very well into the hair and scalp. And I'm going to be adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. You're going to set this on the stove using the double boiler method and let this cook for at least an hour. And yes, I did add a little bit more oil. I felt like I needed just a tad more. But y'all, let me tell you, after about hour and a half, my house smelled amazing, okay? It smelled like fresh baked banana bread, and I was ready and hungry to eat something. At this point, y'all, go ahead and strain your oil from the bananas. Make sure you press down to get all of the oil and the benefits. You'll notice the oil has turned a nice yellowish color, meaning the bananas have infused into the oil. Now that you have extracted the oil and the house smells absolutely amazing, let's go ahead and make the banana face mask so we can actually just hop into the bathroom to do it all together at one time. So these are the bananas from earlier. I'm going to use about a quarter to half a banana for this face mask. Now go ahead and mash the bananas up until it gets to a very liquidy kind of texture. And now you're going to go in with some honey. I'll tell you a little bit more about the benefits of the ingredients we're using once we apply this mask. And then we're going to go in with about a quarter cup of our kaolin clay. Now, kaolin clay has gentle cleansing properties that will help to remove any dirt and oils from your face. So let's go ahead and mix that until you get a nice and chunky texture. You'll want it to be able to stick to your face, all right? So now that we have that made, let's hop into the bathroom and I'll tell you about all of these benefits. So you want to start the banana face mask on cleansed skin. And y'all, let me tell you, last week we talked about some of the benefits of banana peel, but bananas also have great properties for the skin. Bananas are actually rich in silica, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, and vitamin A. Now, what does this mean in terms for our skin? Well, bananas have been said to help fight wrinkles because as we age, our skin loses collagen. And collagen is actually what helps our face feel tight and give us appearance of smoothness. So whenever we lose collagen, we get those fine lines and wrinkles. Now, the silica in bananas have said to increase collagen and thus reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Additionally, bananas are great to help fight acne and acne scars because they help to lower inflammation in the skin and reduce hyperpigmentation by the help of vitamins A and C. Additionally, it can help your skin glow. Okay, y'all want that glowing skin because it's rich in antioxidants to help to fight free radical damage from the environment onto your skin. And lastly, y'all, the potassium in the bananas has been said to help keep your skin moisturized and hydrated, which is said to be really essential, especially if you're suffering from dry, eczema-prone skin. Now, the honey contains antiseptic and antibacterial properties that are great to fight acne-prone skin, as well as its humectant properties that help to draw moisture into the skin. Now, y'all, I'm going to leave this mask on for about 20 minutes, and I'm going to apply the banana oil to my hair. And don't worry, y'all, let me tell you, we're going to also use this banana peel oil on our skin as well, and I'll tell you about that in the closing of this video. So some of the same vitamins and minerals we found in the banana are also found in the peel. And just as we talked about last week, bananas can actually really help to prevent dandruff as they have antifungal properties that can actually help to minimize some of the effects of dandruff. It can help prevent flaking and irritation. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, as we know inflammation is the leading cause to hair loss. Additionally, banana oil can actually help to minimize split ends and tame frizzy hair. Also, it's rich in silica, which we just learned is important for collagen production, as we know our hair is made up of proteins such as collagen. This will help to make your hair shiny and strong. The other minerals such as potassium and copper are actually essential nutrients necessary for having healthy hair growth. So while we apply this oil to our hair, we want to make sure that we massage it deeply into our hair follicles so that we can get these wonderful benefits and properties. Now, this oil can be used as a pre-poo, but it can also be left in on your hair. But I do recommend you cleanse your hair regularly so that your hair can stay hydrated and retain these benefits. Okay, after your 20 minutes are up, go ahead and rinse your face off, y'all, and your skin should feel absolutely amazing. I will say though, if you have a banana allergy, some people mentioned in the previous video, please do not put any bananas on your face. Now, after the mask, you can go ahead and hydrate your skin. Y'all know I have a number of serums that I like to use, like hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. Actually, I have a full video on my skincare regimen. I'll link it right up top. But you guys, the last component that I will be adding to my skin is the banana peel oil that we made. As you know, it can help lock in the moisture and also provide some of those same benefits we talked about earlier, such as anti-aging properties, smoothing wrinkles. So I definitely will be applying this before bedtime so that these could seep deep into my skin follicles. But you guys, that's it for this week. And yes, you guys, a lot of you guys asked for a challenge. So check out the poll on YouTube and the Facebook group so you can vote in our next Ayurvedic challenge for the summer. That's it for this week. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.